Hey everyone! Want to use WhatsApp on your PC or laptop? In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to log in using your browser. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Then, go to web.whatsapp.com. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Now, grab your phone and open the WhatsApp app. Tap the three dots on Android, or go to Settings on iPhone. Next, tap Linked Devices. Then select Link a device. Use your phone to scan the QR code that's showing on your computer screen. After a few seconds, your WhatsApp account will be logged in, and all your chats will appear on your PC. Now you can send messages, reply to chats, share files, and use WhatsApp directly from your computer. If your browser asks for notification permission, tap Allow so you never miss a new message. And that's it. That's how you can log into WhatsApp on your PC or laptop in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.